Hi, my name is Mia. I'm a local land investor here in Texas County.
Hey Mia, how are you doing?
Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty good.
Great to hear. I'm buying some lots of land around my property on Fifth Ward and wanted to see if you're interested in selling your land.
Yeah, I'm interested in selling my land.
Fantastic. I just have a couple of questions. Is now a good time?
Yeah, it's a good time.
Great. Let's get started. 1. How long has this piece of land been in your family?
It's been around 10 years.
2. What were the initial plans for it?
We want to build an apartment for it.
3. Why are you thinking about selling it now?
So we want some quick cash, so we want to sell it now. Yeah.
Got it. 4. What timeline were you looking to sell in?
Maybe in the next 6 months. Yeah, that's our earliest.
5. Is the land mostly cleared or wooded? Trees, bushes?
It's completely cleared.
Nice. 6. Are there any underground utilities? Water, electric, septic?
No, there aren't any.
Okay, 7. How's the access to the property? Is there legal access? Is there a road access?
There is a road access, yeah.
8. Any structures on the property? Shed, barn, carport, etc.?
There is no structures on it right now.
All right. 9. Based on your knowledge, what can be built on it?
You can build anything. You can build a house, you can build an apartment. It's pretty good for it.
That sounds like a great piece of land. Last question, 10. Do you have a survey for the property?
Yeah, we do have a survey for the property.
Give me a moment. Okay, give me just a moment to record this info.
Okay.
Would you like to book an appointment?
Yeah, I'd love to book an appointment.
Awesome. When would be a good time for you?
Can you do maybe like next week, Thursday?
One moment. All right, we have these available times next Thursday, 10 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m. Which one works best for you?
Can you do 1 p.m.?
Great. Can I get your name?
My name is Indra, Indra.
What's the start time of the appointment?
It's 1 p.m.
Could you spell your email for me?
It is yes, PHANINDRAREDDY@gmail.com.
What's the purpose of the appointment?
To know my land valuation.
So to confirm, your name is Indra.
Mhm.
The appointment is at 1 p.m.
Mhm.
Your email is indraspantady@gmail.com,
Yeah.
and the purpose is to know your land valuation.
Yeah,
Is that
good.
correct?
Yeah. That sounds good.
One moment. Perfect. I'll go ahead and book that for you.
Awesome.
Give me just a moment. Got it. Your appointment is booked. See you next Thursday at 1 p.m.
Awesome.
Have a great day.
Thank you so
And
much.
thanks so much for chatting with me.